Hello viewers, I am Topsy and today we're gonna review my laptop. It's an Acer AN 51543. It's an Acer Nitro 5 actually. So it's been purchased back in 2020. So open it up for you guys. Normally this laptop runs Windows 10 actually, but the problem was is getting constant crashes repetitively, which made the laptop very unusable for me to do so. So I got fed up with the constant crashes in Windows 10, so I decided to install Windows 11, wipe the original M.2 hard drive. Yes, it has an M.2 hard drive. In the future I'll change that to a Samsung 990 QVO M.2 SSD in the future, which is one of the fastest M.2 SSD in the market nowadays. And I'll be maxing out the RAM to 16 gigabytes by two 8 gigabytes of DDR4 laptop memory to boost this laptop's memory capacity. This has 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is the minimum requirement for Windows 11. So let's turn this laptop on to see how it performs right there. I use this laptop to make gaming videos on my second channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead. Whoops. Windows 11 startup time. So you'll be greeted with a lock screen. So I'll be logging into my Microsoft account. Of course, it's very possible to create a local account, but in Windows 11 I opt for a Microsoft account that has to be linked. So let me enter my PIN. There you go. We're in Windows 11. It's fresh and clean. I did it a clean install. In the last attempt to install Windows 11, it kept constant crashes when updating the laptop's driver, including the Bluetooth drivers actually. So let me right click to this PC, show more options, get the full context menu right here. Or if you want to do this though without clicking here, just press Shift F10 to bring in the full context menu. It did work right there. So let me bring the full context menu, and I'll show you the specs of the laptop right here. This bad boy is packed with an AMD Ryzen 5 3550 with AMD Radeon Vega mobile graphics. It's a 2.10 GHz AMD Ryzen 5. As I said before, this thing has 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is the minimum requirement for Windows 11. The maximum will be at least 8 gigabytes or more based on the preference. So nothing special. This thing has GTX 1650 graphics card. I'll show you that. It has a GTX 1650, which is decent enough for gaming. Pre-installed antivirus and Bluetooth drivers is installed. Okay, there's one things I want to point out that bugs me when using Windows 11 is when you go to the taskbar settings. One thing that bugs me right here in the taskbar is the centralized start menu. Man, I can't bear with this because the operating system looks a bit like a Chrome OS. I don't like that. So what I did here is to make the alignment of the taskbar set to the lower left of the screen like it used to be at first. And I find it's perfect for me in that spot right here, the start menu. So let's shut off my laptop. Okay, and there you have it, my Acer Nitro 5 with Windows 11 installed. Don't forget to slam a like, and I'll see you next time. Stay cool.